Graystone Academy Charter School hosted a literacy night event for parents and students. Graystone reading specialist Deborah Kent explained that the goal of the event was to promote literacy and especially reading at home.
Well, we want to promote literacy and reading in the home, whether the kids are reading on their own or their parents are reading to the kids. We want reading to get more into the home. We're really pushing for kids reading more in school, and we want that to extend to home, along with the book fair. One of the other teachers has started Book It through Pizza Hut, and they are supposed to read a certain amount of minutes each day. And so we're just doing everything we can to promote more reading.
The book shared with all students was Skippy John Jones' Lost in Spice. Kent said she chose something that would work well across all age groups at Graystone.
He's a great character. He's very funny. He's a Siamese cat who wants to be a Chihuahua, and he turns into a Chihuahua and he does crazy stuff. He does the Mexican hat dance, and he has a gang of Los Chimichangos, and he's very funny, and that we thought would go across the ages. So I kept the same character with different activities.
Chilibro, chilibri, chilirito. It's a wag of the tail for Skipito. For there's nothing as nice as a roll in hot spice in the light of the Martian moonitos.
After having the book read to them, students took part in activities, including being wrapped up like mummies and learning the Mexican hat dance. Kent noted the success of the Literacy Night event, and she is looking forward to future gatherings that will promote literacy.
Oh yes, we'll definitely do this again. We have another book fair in the spring, and I already have the plans are already going on in my head on what we're going to do, because I know the theme. This theme of the book fair was all-star, so it's supposed to be all about sports, or being all-star readers, and the next book fair is about science. So I already have the wheels are already turning for our next one.